Everybody, and welcome back to Online Art. Today we're going to make some nice autumn leaves, and we'll be making them with paint and some leaf shapes that we are cutting out of pieces of paper right now. So you can see I cut that leaf shape out, and I set aside uh, the leaf because I just want the piece of paper with that empty space in the middle. And when I finished cutting out the leaf shape, I put a little piece of tape right over the cut that I made from the edge of the paper to hold it together. And you guys are more than welcome to draw your own leaves, any shape of leaf that you like. But if you like these shapes, um, there is a downloadable file. You can print that out and, just like I'm doing, cut out your autumn leaves. And I'll put a little piece of tape right where I cut from the edge so that I'm left with a nice stencil that has an empty leaf shape right in the center. So I'm going to use some paint on a new piece of paper I've got here, and I went with a nice green. And how I will use my paint today is with a crumpled up paper towel. So I crumpled up that paper towel, I blot into the paint, and then I blot into the stencil where that cutout leaf shape is. So I'm scooping up just a little bit of paint on the paper towel, and if I have a little too much paint on there, I just wipe it off. Um, and then I'm dabbing all around that empty leaf shape until I've got some nice colors filled in. And I'm going with orange, yellow, red, and green for my autumn themed leaves. So when you lift up that stencil, you're left with a beautiful textured leaf shape. And I'm going back and forth doing the two shapes that I cut out. I'm going to fill up my whole paper with all different colors and all different styles and textures of these autumn leaves. So scoop up a little paint, start to blot all over that stencil, everywhere that there's the leaf shape. Making sure I get all the colors that I want in there. Nice one. And I got room for one more, so I'll head back to that other shape, lay down my stencil, get a little paint on my paper towel, and then I blot it all over where the leaf is cut out, fill up that empty space with the paint, and when I lift up my stencil, I have that shape left on my paper. There we've got some autumn leaves.